Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with eMortgage Services portal security step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the eMortgage Services portal. Press the Enter key to navigate to the portal's homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login section. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. If you have a two-factor authentication enabled, check your mobile device for a verification code. Retrieve the code and enter it in the provided confirmation field. Make sure all the information is correct before proceeding. Click on the Login button to access your account. If successful, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Review your security questions and update them as needed. Regularly update your password to maintain account security. After completing your session, remember to log out. This ensures your information remains protected. Follow these steps to authenticate easily and securely with the eMortgage Services portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.